This is our new wall-mounted solar energy storage solution designed for residential backup power and off-grid use. It includes three main parts: an inverter, lithium batteries, and solar panels on the roof. With two high-performance 550-watt monocrystalline panels, giving you over 1,000 watts of peak solar capacity. These things are built to last decades. The wall-mounted power storage, a cutting-edge energy solution designed to meet your power needs. With a robust lithium iron phosphate battery boasting a capacity of 5 kilowatt-hours, this system ensures reliable and efficient power storage. The multi-function inverter, combining functions of inverter, MPPT solar charger and battery charger to offer uninterruptible power support with portable size. The smart inverter delivers standard 220 to 240 volt, 3.6 kilowatts continuous AC power from the batteries to run microwaves, lights, TVs, refrigerators, and so on, just like grid power. Installation precautions. Verify all components are received in good condition before starting. Carefully inspect battery terminals and connect cables, ensuring proper positive and negative polarity. Use insulated protective gear while wiring to prevent short circuit. Reconfirm cable voltage matches battery specifications before permanently connecting. Do not drop, shake, or impact batteries, as that could cause internal damage. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm confident this robust and reliable solar energy system will meet your household electricity needs in an eco-friendly way.